Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another good video for you guys today. I got tongue tied. So today we are going to cook broccoli and shrimp foil pats. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this recipe. So to start off, you're gonna get your shrimp, which I have a pound of shrimp here. They have been washed, deveined, and the shell is off. You can leave the tail on, but I took mine off. So first, what you want to do is you want to preheat your oven at 425, which I have already did. You want to take 2 pieces of heavy duty aluminum foil, which I tore off already because it makes so much noise. So now all you want to do is get your seasons together. So I have Italian season here. I have onion powder here. And I have paprika here. So now all you want to do is take each one of those seasons along with salt and pepper, and you want to sprinkle them over your shrimp, which I would tell you guys how much down there in the description box, how much Italian season, onion powder, and paprika I used for this recipe. So you just want to take it and you want to shake it up because you want to coat it really good. Okay. Just give me a spatula. Uh-oh. Next, I'm going to use fresh black pepper, if I can get it open, and I'm just gonna crackle it over in here. Okay, next I'm gonna take my sea salt and I'm gonna crackle it over in here as well. This comes out really fast, so I'm not going to use too much of that. Okay, and I'm just going to give this like a good toss. You could put the top back on and shake it back up if you want to, or you could just, you know, mix it around. I'm really excited about this recipe. It's going to be a good one, you guys. So I'm gonna set my shrimp aside. I have my pan here, and what I'm gonna do is set 1 piece of aluminum foil to the side, and we are going to take half of our shrimps and place it in here. Then you're gonna fold that one over. You're gonna take your other piece of aluminum foil and you're gonna place the rest of your shrimps in that one. Next, you want to add the broccoli. So you're going to get your broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli. I'm just using frozen. You can use fresh or frozen. So what you want to do is make sure the shrimp is to one side and you want to put the broccoli to one side. I know you guys can't see this one, but I'm going to get the other one. slide the shrimps over to one side and place your broccoli. Just like that. I got a few pieces of broccoli there. I might as well cook it up. Okay. So to finish this, I think I'm going to take it out. Make it a little bit easier. Yeah. That way y'all guys can see it a little bit better as well. So I got the broccoli on one side. The seasoned shrimp on the other side. So now I'm going to take my lemon. You need your lemon. You need a half a lemon. You're just gonna cut it. Take the sticker off. I'm gonna cut it. And you're going to take the seed out. And you're just gonna sprinkle it over your broccoli and your shrimp. Don't it look good? Then you're gonna sprinkle it over the other one. Oh man, this smells amazing. That lemon juice is just gonna give it that zest. Okay. All right. Might have a couple of seeds in there. It's okay. We'll spit them out as we eat. Next, you want to take your garlic. Take your garlic and you just want to just sprinkle it over the shrimp and over the broccoli. So this is fresh garlic we have here. Like that. And now you want to take pieces of butter and you want to just spread it, you know, distribute it over the broccoli and shrimp. Uh-oh. Okay. Get the other one. Okay, I think I got enough butter for that one. Now you want to add a tablespoon of vegetable stock to each foil pack. So get a tablespoon here, 1 tablespoon. And you're going to sprinkle it over there, over the broccoli, over the shrimp. And then after you do that, you want to take and close the foil pack up really tight. I probably should have got bigger aluminum foil, a bigger piece. But you always can add more aluminum foil. You just want it really tight so that the steam stay in there. Okay, that might be alright. So yeah, so after you add the vegetable stock, you just want to close it up like this. Put it in your pan. Now take this one and add the vegetable stock to this one as well. Y'all is gonna love this mouth-watering recipe right here. Especially all my seafood lovers. You got your meat and you got your vegetables. You can't go wrong. So I'm closing this end up. So it's closed really tight. Now I'm going to try to get them in my pan. I may have to get the bigger one. Let's see. Yeah, let me get the Now we're cooking with oil. So we're going to place it in our sheet pan. And we're going to place it in the oven. And we're going to allow it to cook for 15 minutes. And I'll be back. So we're going to check out our shrimp. I see the juice in there. Just be careful because it's hot. Yes. Got plenty of juice in there. The broccoli has cooked. It's very soft and tender. Your shrimps has a good color to them. And broccoli. Yep. We'll check our other one. So I had to cook mine for additional 5 minutes. So that was a total of 20 minutes. Yep. There you go. So now all I'm going to do is open my foil packs up. And you can just garnish it with parsley. Like that. There you have it. Our shrimp and broccoli foil packs. Don't they look amazing? See that steam coming from them? Let's zoom in on it. This is what you call good cooking and good eating. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my broccoli and shrimp foil packs. This recipe is amazing. You hear me? Okay, and it's easy and it's quick and simple. You know, it don't get no better than that. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you go down and subscribe below. Tell me what you think about this video. Comment and let me know, okay? So thanks for watching. And as always, bye.